Good day. In this short video, I'll show you how you can set up automatic calculations within Kohezion. So in this instance, we have a very simple CRM where we manage people the last time we've communicated with them, and we might want to do a few calculations. So let's take a look at a record. So what we have here is very basic information. Of course, in Kohezion, you can add as many fields as you need. We can even attach files here if we want to. Now, what we have, what's of interest for this video, is that we can track the total sales for that particular person and the last time it was communicated. So we have these two data elements that we track, but we want to build calculations based on those fields. So what we want to do is, for instance, and this is just an example, we want to calculate the total taxes paid for that $100 based on a 15% tax rate. So automatically Kohezion can take that number, multiply it by 15% and make the calculation. Also, it can say, okay, well, whenever I communicate with someone, I want to know when I should communicate with them again. So it could be in 30 days, could be in 90 days. That's totally up to you. So I'll show you how we can set this up. So now what we have is the $15 was calculated here. Let's say the last communication was on the 31st, and then I click on save, and you'll see that Kohezion calculated an extra 30 days in the future to communicate with that person. So let's see how that is done. So you log in as the account admin, you go to the builder, and you go to that specific application. So what we've done here is we've created two calculation fields. So the calculation field is here, and each calculation field has a formula. So for taxes paid, you click on edit and then you see the formula. So this is the field, total taxes multiplied by 0.15, which is 15%. But you could make it even more complicated and add brackets and do this and multiply that by 15 plus 22. So it can be as big as a formula as you need it to be. And then you click on update and Kohezion will apply that formula to all your records. Now for dates, so we've been making calculation based on numbers, but for dates, so we want Kohezion to calculate a date in the future based on the last communication. So the first step is you drop a calculation field. The first step is to set the calculation type to date, and then when you edit the formula, you'll see that you have different formulas here. Which one is add days? So what we do is we call the function add days, set the date field required, which is last communication, and we add 30 days. So that number could be anything that you need. You click on update, and that's all that's needed to build your calculations. You can also calculate the difference between two dates and things of that nature. So this is how easy it is to automate your calculations within Kohezion. So thank you. Bye-bye.